Hello friends, in this video I will be covering what is Ruby and how it is different from other programming language. So what is Ruby? Ruby is a dynamic and open source programming language. Open source means you do not have to purchase any license. Just go ahead and download it and you can use the Ruby. It's as simple as that. And what is the main purpose? Main purpose of Ruby is the simplicity. It is very simple and it is very productive as well. You can do a lot more with writing the less line of code, and it also has an elegant syntax and natural and easy to read and write. Just it's as easy and as it is. You can open here. It has one interactive ruby shell irb. You can type here and just writing your ruby code. Print this. It's as simple as that. It's as easy to read and write. And Rails and Sinatra are the main framework for developing the web application. Both are written in Ruby. So Ruby is as vast as it is. How it is different from other programming language means it's a programming language, but how will you say it is different from other programming language? So how will you define? So it has duck typing, meta programming, and it has no primitive data types. Means it is a pure object oriented programming language. As you can say the true object oriented, no primitive data types. It has no data type. Means the integer, string, byte, float. It does not have any data type. They are all the objects in Ruby. Let me show you how it is a true true object oriented programming language. Everything is an object. There is no primitive data type. So let me show you. If you open here, if I ask you one, uh, it can be an integer for other programming language, but in Ruby, it is an object of class. You can see like this. Uh, a new like this. It's like this. It's an object of this class. You can think of like this. I will show you. I will prove you uh, if it is an object or not. So let me ask you that the class. What is your class? It will show you that my class is integer. So it is an object. It is an object. You can ask for the string as well. What is your class? It will show you the string. My class is string. You can ask for 1.5, 1.4. What is your class? It will show you the float. It is an object. Everything is an object. It's an object. It's an object. This number is an object. It's not a data type. It is not storing any value. So everything is an object. So so that is how we can say the Ruby is different from any other programming language. If you compare it with the Python is not fully object oriented programming language. Okay, and Ruby is a general purpose programming language, while Python is a high level programming language. And high level means Python can be used in machine learning, data science projects as well. Ruby is general purpose programming language. That's it.